So guys, welcome back to my new video. So in last video what I have done that make you explain what Python is and what literally it does and how literally it works. I give you example of yes Windows, but in this video we are going to write our first Python code. Yes, we in this video we are literally going to write our first Python code. Wait a minute, recording is yes, it's working. So in this video I'm going to write full Python code. So let's start by installing antigravity. Google's, it just launched. It's free now. Use, it's free. We never stop the free thing. So why you just do install it? It's very good. Why? Because Gemini 3.0 is integrated in it, and um, you know, it's free. Yes, not antivirus. I need anti-gravity. Anti-gravity, yes. Okay. Um, yes, Google anti-gravity. Download for Windows. Just do it. So, by the time it is downloading, you just go down below. There is a subscribe button. What color I don't know. Just do click it. Okay. It is
2,000 years later.
so guys. Finally, after 10,000 years, this is downloaded. And this anti-gravity. And if I tell you, I downloaded it from Uptown, and it also took about much time. So now we will download it and just do next. But also, if I suggest you add this, take this checkbox. Okay, why? You will get that thing in some time. For some time, just wait and watch. So in this video, just going to just happen in some time, and when this done, this progress will be done. I'm going to explain your first program, or we can say about writing our first program. And in this video I will going to tell you how to write the output, how to get the output in Python. Yes, output in our terminal or in output tab if you are using any PyCharm and anti-gravity and VS Code, etc., etc. And if you use VS Code and thinks anti-gravity is new, we concept anti-gravity is same, fully same like VS Code. Yes, yes, I also have installed Python because I also you also know Python is just good. Uh, in Python, I downloaded the free version of it. Okay, so wait a minute. It's new, so I thought let me make video on this only. But you can also use PyCharm and other code editors if you want. Mm, this is done now. Now I'm going to launch this thing, and for that I created a min.py over here also. And if I right click over here, so more options. It must So option open with anti-gravity. If I have mistake, I can't see this. You just stop. So more options. Open with verb. I think I have installed it now, so it is taking time to load news now. I am thinking that much. You just skip this anti-gravity. I will directly open this thing. You see the interface. It's just like this, and you can see a Gemini interface over here. It's same thing in VS Code, and all these extensions are of same VS Code. I do like this thing. Why just not loading file open folder? I'm going to open the folder desktop, Python learning playlist file census to open it, and in the files here's our day one. Yes, day one main.py, just this thing. Yeah, yes. And here's our main.py. So what we need to write the output? Yes, we need to write the output. Yes. How can we write the output then? It's the first thing in the any programming language that use the historical process. But writing the hello world program, um, for getting the outputs we use print. Okay, and in Python all the this type of commands are only just what these commands are a function. Yes, all these commands that we write in the Python are only a function or a feature. Yes. So why this bracket is over here? You don't get this now. What thing is this? I hate these things, guys. Hmm, what do you do now? So where was I? Now this. So guys, I was telling you that all these things that we write in Python, like this double bracket, are only a function. Yes, in function we give multiple parameters. When creating a function, we add like this, like num, comma, data, comma, and many more things if we need to write. And if not, and if just we didn't want to write that, we don't. Like if I need something in my function, like I need a number, so we'll add a parameter over there and this thing. So this is same thing that happens with print. So if I write pri and print one, I write one over here. Controllers. So here's the run. So in the terminal you can see, here's the one. I get the one over here. If in the place of one I add this comma, so that by this thing we can add multiple thing multiple things, or We can say multiple parameters we can give to print statement, or multiple things we can write with the print statement in a single thing. So if you were from PyCharm, just always press Control S before running your script. You can see here's the 1, 2, 3. I hate suggestions value in the video. So multiple parameters like advanced print. I'm going to explain you sometime else. Like when I click over here, it just done that. SEP equals to this and like this. So what it does, it separates this by a hyphen. If after 3, like I add here 7, now if I run this, oh, this is good. Good more than VS Code. So you can see all the things are separated by hyphen. So this is used for that. And if we run this, what happened? It will end it with hyphen. If we add 6 over here, you can see it's just nothing. And yes, this works very fine. Okay, I will comment out this both things. And now guys, I'm going to print hello world. Here I going to print hello, 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 WORLD, hello world. And now we are going to have an error. Yes, the syntax error. And many people have a problem installing Python. Yes, so just do what, install Python in your PC and then install like these code editors. Your Python will work fine. Okay. Now we are back to our program. So yes, here's the starting thing. In Python only get numbers and the already told things. Yes, Python only got these things, and Python nothing, no anything else. No, Python can also do calculations like PRI and print. What the thing is? Print triple nine raised to the power triple nine. Yes, Python can do this type of operations very easily. This is too small. Yes, it is triple nine raised to the power triple nine. It's just funny. We are not here for the funny things. So why we are going getting this thing? So if I add this in a double quotes, means then I tell Python that see bro, this is in a string. Means this is a digit letter or any object which is not used for the calculations. Yes, this is only the string, because I can also add numbers to the string. It's nothing like triple nine. I can add it, and it will be work. It will be working as string only. If I plus and 45, 44. See, it is going. giving an error. That it is saying that int, this is string, not int. So we are going telling this number. This number can't be calculated. This number string isn't for calculations. Yes, see, it happened. This only thing in string and in print statement. For advanced print statement, comment down below advanced print. And this much for this video. And I just need to record 3 parts for this video because of all the this editings. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.